What's up, guys? Today we're making steak and eggs. Got our filet mignon here. Just kind of oil and salt both sides. Alright, now that we got our steak seasoned, we're just gonna throw the rest of our avocado oil in the pan. Get the pan real nice and hot before you throw your steak in there. Now, one thing I like to do with my steaks after I cook it, I like to baste it with some garlic and butter. So I'm just gonna take 4 cloves, just smash them. So the pan's smoking just a little tiny bit. So we're just gonna throw our steak in. Alright, now we're gonna drop it down to low. Get each side a little bit of color on it. Alright, and at this point, I'm just gonna throw some butter in. Throw in our garlic. And then we're just gonna baste. Might need a little bit more butter, to be honest, but let's see. Gonna baste it a lot, not a couple times, a lot, like how I'm doing it. Alright, we're gonna throw a little bit more butter in. Put a cover on it. Alright, now we're gonna make our egg. We're gonna cut the heat on that. An over easy egg, of course, because we want that egg yolk for the steak. You never cook your egg too hot. That's one thing a lot of people mess up on. We'll pull our steak now. Gonna flip this egg. Oh no! No! Okay, we'll just pull it now then. Damn, that is sad. It'll work. It's pretty much just a dipping sauce for your steak. Alright, let's see how this steak turned out. Perfect. Alright, let's give it a shot. Delicious. That is just amazing.